Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the important currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese and GBP USD. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar Canadian dollar for 10th March 2021. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So you can see that right now market is trading at 1.2622. Let me take out the pencil. Okay, so right now market is trading here. And you can see I have drawn three lines on the market. Okay, on the chart actually. Sorry. So for me, hmm, market is right now in the no trading zone. Okay, you can see that there is no trend on the market as of now. Okay, market is kind of consolidating. Market is in particular range. Okay, in case market goes up from here. Okay, in case market goes up from here and hits this resistance at 1.2736. Okay, and you see some price rejection from above like this. Okay, if you see some price rejection from above or a big bearish candle, you can short the market at this resistance. So this can be a first strategy. Okay, wait for the market to hit this level. If you see some price rejection, short the market. And if market crosses this level, okay, then wait for at least 1 hour before going long. Okay, wait for 1 hour, just see how the price is reacting above the resistance. Okay, let the market feel comfortable above the resistance, let the resistance become the support, then only you should go for a buy order. Otherwise, if you spot the reversal, then short the market. Okay, so this is your first strategy. So the second strategy is, if you see that market reaches this level. Okay, if market reaches this level and market reverses from here, okay, like this or like this hammer kind of a pattern. Okay, if you see that, okay, there is some good price rejection, buyers are not allowing the market to go down. Okay, in that case you can also buy here, but do not forget to get the confirmation. Okay, the price should get the support of volume, that is very important. Okay, so you can buy the market, you can buy in case there is a reversal. Okay, so these two are the very crucial points for the market. The first is 1.2736 and the second is 1.2576. These two are the important points. In case market crosses this level, let me take the red pencil now. In case market crosses this level and you see that, okay, market did not reverse on but there is some huge selling pressure. Okay, because overall the trend of the market was down. So therefore, if there is some heavy selling pressure, then market may slip further. Okay, in that case, just again wait for 1 hour. Let the resistance let the support become the resistance. Okay, and if just wait for 1 hour to get the confirmation that, okay, really the sellers are in control right now. Once you get the confirmation, you can short the market here for a target of 1.2481. Okay, so this is the strategy that you can follow for US dollar Canadian dollar for 10th March. Okay, and right now market is in no trading zone, so just wait for the market to uh, hit either this level or this level. Once it reaches the our desired levels, then you can follow the strategy accordingly. Okay, so hopefully you've understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Okay, It encourages me a lot. I have started this channel recently. So thank you so much. See you tomorrow and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.